Level 7, Intermediate. The Three Little Pigs. Once, 3 little pigs left their mother's home to build their own houses. The first pig built a house of straw because it was the fastest and easiest. The second pig built a house of sticks, which was a little stronger but still not safe. The third pig worked hard and built a strong house of bricks. One day, a big bad wolf came looking for food. He knocked on the straw house and said, little pig, let me come in." The pig refused, so the wolf blew the straw house down. The pig ran to his brother's stick house. The wolf blew the stick house down as well. The 2 pigs ran to the brick house. The wolf huffed and puffed, but he could not blow it down. At last, the wolf gave up, and the 3 pigs lived safely together.